If we want to edit this map over here, we simply have to click on it. Then we can see that the editor is the Google Maps editor. We have the Google Maps content over here, style over here, and advanced over here. By going back to content, we can add the location over here, zoom like so, and the height from over here. By going to style, we have CSS filter for normal state and for hover state. For normal state, we can see that the saturation is set to 0. That's why it's grayscale. And let's, for the hover, change the saturation to 0 and play with the transition duration, and we can have this effect. By going to advanced and scrolling till over here to border, we can see that we have box shadow. By clicking over here, we can see the color over here. So we can change this color that we see over here from here. Horizontal distance, vertical distance, blur, and spread.